Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 7:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Tuesday, December 7th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, share the video, click the thumbs up. Here to talk about ETH US dollar. Okay, so we do have resistance right now, 4,400, and support right now, 4,184. 4,300 is roughly where we're at. We almost broke through, but took a little bit, we only up a little bit, pulled back. No problem. No problem at all. Why? Because of ETH Bitcoin. I'm less, bedazzled by this particular price action here. I am very bedazzled by this one. ETH Bitcoin still continuing its rise, its surge up against this pennant here. This pennant, as we've been talking about, somewhere way back here, when we started to see it forming, we kind of knew this thing should be on a melt up, and it's certainly melting up. I mean, when we were talking about it, we were down to 59.78. We're at 8,700, 8,500 right now. I think we're going to continue to melt up. Look, we could have a pullback. We could be bouncing around this line, but this line will continue to grow. Probably half the length of this whole flagpole. 49 was 5,000, up to 8,000, around 3,000 points from here. So 3,000 points from the breakout would get us cleanly to 10K. And I think there's more to come on that. So anyway, support line right now on this, if we were to drop right this second, worst case scenario would be 7,900. We're at 85.17. I think this will continue to go up to sideways. We might start pulling back through time, curling around, but again, I'm not really worried about that. Bitcoin's also showing pretty well resiliency, just given where it's been. Let's see, 42 on this chart, but look at this. I mean, we're still on this bullish broadening wedge, which is downward, which means once we poke through and break through this top line of resistance, we should be back up to cleanly making the move back up to where this started, around 68K. All right, let's move over to Bitcoin. Same thing, nothing magical, 4120. Really, that's all I've got on ETH, but ETH looking good overall, man. Good buying point if you haven't gotten any ETH yet. Talk soon.